Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equal to cos t. So if I put this one go in here, you got about cos t square minus 1. So we can change into sin t square. And later that we simplify the square root. Now we do first the derivative for the both sides. And you got about sin t dt. This one we change cos t square ds, we change by this one. This one you got about sin t square. This one you got about sin t. Sin t with sin t you got about sin t square. Now we can apply the formula in here. Sin t square equals to cos 2t plus 1 over number 2. Negative number 1. So we put this one to change sin t square. So we put this one go in here. Now number 2 we put outside. And now we got the final answer. The integration of cos 2t you got about 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1 you got about t and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So you got about t equal to a cos of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.